Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to disconnect your Facebook and Instagram account. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your Instagram application. After open the Instagram application, in the down you will find your profile icon. Simply click over there, and then upper side in the right there is a three line. Simply click over there. After click over there, you need to click here settings. After click over settings, you need to click here account. After click over account, you will find something say share to other apps. After click over there, you will notice that your Instagram account where is linked. My Instagram account is linked with my Facebook. So if you decide to remove or unlink your Facebook account with your Instagram, you need to open this Facebook and then you need to click here account center. After click over account center, you will see a screen appear just like this. You need to click again this account settings. After click over account setting, you will see the account is added to your Instagram account. Now you can see this is my Facebook and this is my Instagram. So if you decide to remove your Facebook, so you can click here remove, and then you will see a information. You need to read all these things and then you can click here continue. After that, if you again Facebook give me Facebook account will be removed from your account center. So you're going to click here remove your Facebook account. So within this simple way, you can easily unlink your Facebook account with your Instagram. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.